there though, man.
ما بحث تاسكه. هاي قد بيوصل من وصل يقول.
توصل لغاية الشيء.
هذه بحث سيارتك ولا بحث تاسكه.
Fair use. We ain't on that. Alright, y'all. We done pulled up to the famous Corleone Forge, man. I done pulled the Jeep up right in front of the trailer over here. I'm gonna get some pictures with my phone and we finna vlog it up, man. Give me 1 second though. Why? I gotta clean this real quick. Give me 1 second, y'all. We back down. Back down. Cut them off. Go out here. See how it's looking. Y'all. Oh, can y'all see it? Yes, sir. Get that quick little thumbnail real quick. Alright guys, photo op is over with, man. I'm finna go in here, see what these guys could do for me, if anything, you know. Let me let y'all see what I see. How you doing? I called a little bit earlier about seeing if I can get I got like a slow leak in my rim. I'm trying to see if I need to get it resealed or if it's
What kind of wheel?
it's an Artiste wheel.
Can you leave us? You have a spare?
No, I was just gonna stick around.
Because if it's a seal, what kind of wheel is a 3-piece wheel?
No, it's a 1-piece.
Okay, let the guys take a look to see why.
Should I drive back there or? Okay. It's a black Jeep SRT with a red stripe on it. Oh, it's the driver's side front. Yeah. I need like 2 of them checked though, cause they both losing there, both driver's side. All right, guys, let me see what's going on over here though, man. This joint right here, man. It's crazy. See that? Straight mobster. Faces laying everywhere. Let y'all get the whole wall though. These drinks like 30s, 32s or something. Get y'all the whole wall. Try to get y'all the whole wall. Let me step back a little bit. Yeah. Corley got some. Barrel on that joint. Like 11, 12 feet, 12 inches. Pause. Okay. I think them the ones CJ just got right there. Yeah, Corley going crazy though. I'm gonna lie to y'all. sir. Bunch of faces over here. Bunch of faces. Yes, sir. Wheels for days. These ain't Corleys over here, but you know, you gotta carry other people's brands too. That's a Corley. I like them right there. This Jag right here is so big. Look how it's squatted though. That joint squatted for real. Supercharged. Satin white. Corley grill. Definitely going crazy. Them joints right there, nasty. I think I seen these at Rick Ross crib. I think they had these displayed there. Corley Impalas. Them joints nasty right there. Ooh. Like the blue joints right there too. Man, them, I like them all, yo. Oh, them cold. Come on, man, with that stop and recording, y'all. I don't know. We be trying to sneak stop recording it. Nah, these cold right here. These must be some new heat. These joints cold. That thing crazy too. The Soto. But alright, man, they got hold on, put that on. No, leave it on. So I think they got like one car ahead of me, so I gotta sit out here and wait for a little second. But it's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna chill right here. I'm gonna pick the camera back up, man. We'll get a little bit more active. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. Check it out.
You see it's bent?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know they was bent on the inners, but
It's bent. Look at it, it's bobbled, this one. It's bobbled, all of them, you see?
y'all got these tires in?
Yeah. This one. It is bent, it's bobbled. Yeah.
Okay. You say, alright. Man, this little business real quick, man. I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a second. They talking about 2 days. We can't do 2 days. We can't do 2 days. They got Corleys just everywhere though. Corleys everywhere. Got a 4G poster and the Corley. Oh, that's all love. Yeah, man, they saying I need to leave it for 2 days, and I can't do that. We in this joint. We in this joint.
He's busy right now, he don't have time. He's trying to wheel right now.
Okay, that's cool.
He said if you have time, you fix it tomorrow. No, when next Thursday, 100% fix.
Okay. And how long? How was it? 1 day or what did it be?
2 days. If you fix it tomorrow, next tomorrow.
Okay.
You
All
have a
right.
spare tire on it?
I got a spare, yeah, but I need both of them done, so get them both done at the same time.
راح تلاتة يا أخي والراجل. هذا الراجل
that right there though, man.
وانا بحثتها كيف؟ هاي كانت بيوصل من وصل يقول. توصل لغاية الشيء. هذه بحثت سيارتك وانا بحثتها كيف؟
Yes, I'll probably, I don't know, bring it back on like Thursday or something like that.
Yeah.
Are you saying it'd be 2 days, so I'll get it back like Saturday? Okay.
Don't handle it for Saturday. Then you get Thursday here, bring a, if you know fixing for you, I'll fix it for you.
Okay.
You get more than Thursday. If you know fixing for you, I got it. I fix it too, just a small job, you know, I know what to fix it. Just for you, I got it.
Got you. Alright, y'all, man, we finna get these wheels put back on, and we finna get on the road, see what else we're gonna get into today. Guess I'm gonna have to just drop this joint off and get it done that way, because I gotta leave it somehow. Alright, man, I'm gonna come back up here on Thursday then, and if I gotta leave it over, you know, a couple days or whatever, I'll just do that.
Let me check if we have it. Make sure we haven't tried it. If you know how many order.
Tires cheaper out here than they is at the crib. I think I spent like $300 on them tires. I think the back ones. Check me out, man. Appreciate you.
You got somebody is here? Yeah, Thursday.
Fucking with it?
Huh?
Said you fucking with it?
What's that? Oh, no, it look good.
Appreciate you. Have to bring my shit back up here on Thursday.
Yeah.
Bent up on the inside. I come from Chicagoland area.
Oh, yeah.
Streets fucked up all the way from here to there.
Oh, yeah. That's a 2-piece or 1-piece wheel?
It's 1 piece. Yeah, 1 piece.
This is YouTube?
Yeah. That's my Instagram right there. I got a YouTube channel too.
YouTube?
Yeah. Oh, oh yeah, this is it. Yep. Can't skip them ads though. You gotta watch them ads, man. Yeah, no, that's it. You was looking at it. This right here is just a little short that I did.
Yeah, you haven't seen. This is my.
Oh, you got a channel too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let me go ahead and.
Yeah, I was like, let's say put it like short video was after 2006 ago. I put it yesterday.
Right there?
Yeah. Sometimes it's working, sometimes.
Yeah, for sure. We got plenty of content up here all day, every day.
So you need a chicken here. You tell you which time you want to put a video. Yeah.
Oh, nice. I never even checked that before.
Yeah, it's download this.
Yeah, I got that app there. I just never did what you just did on it
They
before.
tell you which time is
Yeah,
better.
that's smart.
Yeah.
I'm about to check that out, man.
Okay, buddy.
Should I back it out?
Thank you. Have a good day.
I can back it out?
Yeah. DJ.
Alright, y'all. Man, you got the seat all the way up. Alright, y'all, let me go ahead and back this thing up, man, get right, and I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a minute. Alright, guys, too much more didn't happen tonight, so we're probably gonna end up wrapping this video right now. I could continue it. We're gonna see. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't hit me, people. Man, these cars flying down here. I gotta get me a garage. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Content gonna keep rolling, keep coming, man. I'm tired. I'm finna go in the house and go to sleep. Got another long day tomorrow. Catch y'all in the next video. Gang, 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 gang.